Hello students, good morning. Today we'll discuss about chemistry chapter 12 chemistry. Okay, of chapter 1 solid state. Okay, already you had also studied in previous class, just like a class 9 10th also, what you mean by solid state. Okay, in previous class already you have discussed about the solid state. What is solid? Okay, this is also a matter. Understand? So already discussed. Okay, previous classes already you have to learn about solid state. Okay, तो mainly you have to what is the solid state, what is the their property, physical property, what is the nature. So also we have discussed in the expanding form of the solid state. Okay, in class 12th. So what is the main objectives of the solid state, what we have to study. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Okay, which topics are given there, which objective, what is the main objectives of solid state. So after studying this unit you will be able to which topic you have to describe in this solid state case. The first case is what is first describe general characteristics of solid state. First we will describe the what is the general characteristics of solid state. Second, distinguish between the amorphous and crystalline. This is the main topic. What is the distinguish between amorphous and crystalline solid. Third case, classify the crystalline solid on the basis of the nature of binding forces. Okay, which forces are binding, okay, in the case of the crystalline or amorphous. Understand, both are combining. Next case are what, define crystal lattice and unit cell. Okay, this is the next topic. Next, another topic, explain closed packing of particle. What is the closed packing? Understand. Next, describe different types of voids and closed packed structure. What is the voids and closed packed structure? Okay, let's we will discuss. After that, next, what is there, calculate the packing efficiency of different types of cubic unit cell. What is the cubic unit cell? BCC, FCC है ना already. Okay, we will discuss in this topic, in this chapter. Correlate the density of a substance with its unit cell properties, and also we will discuss what is the density with the related with the unit cell, just like FCC, BCC. Understand? So again we will discuss about that. Describe next. Describe the imperfection in solids and their effect on properties. Okay, what is their imperfection of solid and what is the effect, okay, on their properties. Understand? And last topic, what is there given there, correlate the electrical and magnetic properties of solids and their structure. Okay, also we will correlate. Understand what is their electrical and magnetic properties of solid, okay, and what is their structure. Okay, so we will discuss about these all terms, okay, in chapter 1 solid state. So let us start. Okay, solid state, you know about what you mean by solid state. Okay, in also you have to previous class, okay, you have also discussed about the what is mean solids, what is their characteristics, what is their properties. Understand? So let us again we have to discuss about the what is solid state. So all of you know about just we have to describe about the solid state one times again. Ki you know about ki matter. Okay, ki first of all matter described into three parts, classified into three parts. You know about solid, liquid and gas. Which is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so we will discuss about mainly here solid. What is solid? So you know about solid, what is solid. So solids have what you know about. The solids have a definite shape and size and definite volume. Okay, all three have. If any matters or material have three, which is shape, size and volume. So in case of the solid, okay, there have a what, fixed shape, fixed, okay, size and fixed volume, and definite shape, definite size and definite volume, all are definite. So it is known as what, solid. And also you know that solid are rigid. Rigid means क्या होते हैं? Rigid means कठोर, ठोस, solid solid form. Because also we can say what कि in the case of solid state कि between the particles of solids are so closer to each other. Okay, so closed pack. Okay, particles of solids are so close packed to each other. Also we can say that ki, their intermolecular force of attraction are what, closely packed. Okay, understand? So closely packed. Understand? Also we can say that strong, ki force of attraction of between the solid particles is so stronger. Understand? Let's we see given here. Okay, our earlier classes also we have to know about liquid and gases. You know about what is liquid and gases. Also we know about the liquid and gases. Liquid you know about which have kya, what definite what volume but in between shape and size. साइज नोट शेप. In liquid case what? कि definite volume but indefinite shape. But in case of gases, you know about the gas कि that solid या substance which have what? Neither definite shape neither definite volume, all are indefinite, that means gases. तो you know about ना कि so these are known as what? Fluid. Liquid and gases are known as fluid because their ability to flow, because these are flow anywhere. You know about ना कि liquids and gases है ना, their force of attraction between the liquid and gases are क्या, so less than, okay, in compare of solid, okay, it have क्या less than in compare of solid, but in case of gases form are negligible, है ना, zero है ना force of attraction between the particles of gases, so they are fluid. Fluid means anywhere they can है ना flow. So the fluidity in both the state is due to the fact that the molecules are free to move about, because molecules are क्या freely to move here and there, जैसे in our surrounding gases are moving here and there, okay. So these due to the randomly move. Why? Because their particles between the gases are so far away from each other, okay, so far away, so gases are so randomly move in our surrounding, understand. So on the contrary, you know about constituent particle in solids have fixed position, okay, can only oscillate about their mean position. Solid, you know about solid only closely packed, their particles of solids are so force of attraction are stronger, so they are closely packed, यानी कि oscillate, they can oscillate in their mean position only. mean position कहाँ पे oscillate कर सकते हैं, they in mean position. Where is the mean position, mean point. So this explains the rigidity in solid. This is known about solid rigidity. So this property depend upon the nature of constituent particle and binding force. तो ये क्यों होता है, why this is possible? Due to the constituent particle, which is constituent particle and what is their nature of the constituent particles. नेचर क्या है constituent particles का. तो you know about ना कि binding force is so है ना strong in case of the what solid state. A structure property help the discovery of new solids material desired property. Example you know about, जैसे let's see what is the desired property. Okay, example जैसे carbon nanotubes. This is the another है ना matter. Carbon nanotubes are new materials that have potential. What potential? To provide material that are tougher than steel. है ना, this is so high compressible, high magnitude. Okay, high rigidity. Compressible not high rigid. Understand? In compare of steel, steel से अभी क्या होती है ये high rigid, so solid. Which? Carbon nanotubes. This is the new material. Okay, so tougher than the steel. Okay, harder. तो lighter than the aluminium, but क्या होती है lighter than aluminium. Aluminium से हल्का and have more conductive property. And you know about ना कि it have more conductive property. Conductive property you know about ना कि it easily conduct the electricity, passes through the electricity. Okay, than the copper. You know about the copper is the main things. Now we है ना we use the this time copper wire, okay, for moving the electricity in our at home या any offices, understand, other offices. So this is the which known as what, that's known as carbon nanotubes, okay, which are high tougher than the steel and lighter than aluminium and more conductive power. So such material play an expanding role in future development. Science and you know about this is a so important role for in our everyday life. And some other material which are expected to play an important role in the future, high temperature superconductors. Many are high superconductor, highly temperature superconductors, just like magnetic materials. You know about magnetic materials. You know about na which have magnetic power. Okay, material. Biodegradable polymers. You know about biodegradable. They can easily decompose. For packaging है ना different types of, ठीक है, polymers for packaging, bio complement, solids for surgical है ना implements. तो different types of what matters है ना materials. Okay, तो thus the study of this state becomes more है ना important in present scenario. और आज के दिन में है ना today everyday life, what is this है ना solid state, what is their properties, what is their new substances in solid states, okay, what is their use, what is their main properties, okay, what is the tensile strength. So these are the है ना, so it is so important, okay, topics या chapters for our everyday life, understand. So let's see, we have discuss about का, we shall discuss different possible arrangement of particles resulting in several types of structure. You know about ना कि why explore arrangement of the structure units lend different property to solid, what is the different property of solid, है ना, how this property get modified due to the structural imperfection, presence of impurity in minute amounts. You know about ना कि in solid state a minute amount मतलब a small amount of है ना impurities are present in solid state. You know about ना, because in solid क्या है, देर आर सो कंजुगेटेड, है ना, देर आर इम्परफेक्शन, है ना, सो परफेक्ट सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स, है ना, लेस अमाउंट ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज आर प्रेजेंट देयर इन केस ऑफ, है ना, सॉलिड स्टेट. अंडरस्टैंड. So let's see what is the, है ना, let's see the another topic, just like you know about the first, we will, है ना, general characteristics of solid. What is the general characteristics of solid? Okay, we will discuss about that topic. So all of you know about what is the general characteristics of solid. Do you know about what is the properties of solid, characteristics of solid? Okay, in previous class also you have, है ना, learned. Okay, learned about the what is the characteristics. So in previous class also you have to learn that ki just like you have to just discuss ना कि three forms of matter, solid, liquid and gas. Understand? Condition of क्या होता है? Under given the condition, temperature and pressure, which would be the most stable state of given substance, depends upon the net effect of two, है ना, opposing factors. Okay. So these are intermolecular force. You know about like intermolecular force, and also you know that ki between the particles of solids, intermolecular force are strong, so higher in compare of the liquid and solid, sorry, liquid and gas. Okay. तो सो क्या है? Solid are so highly tensile strength. Also we can say the what, higher power, है ना, tougher. Okay, so tough in compare of liquid and solid. Understand? And sufficiently low, है ना, use in our everyday life. The sufficiently low temperature, the thermal energy is low. Intermolecular force bring them to close that, है ना, climb to another, occupy fixed position. You know about fixed position, definite shape, definite size, definite volume. Okay. And they can still oscillate about their mean position and a fixed position. Substance exists in solid state. You know about why they are solid state. Now let's we discuss about what is their physical, है ना, what is their main, है ना, characteristics, that is property of the solid state. So first we discover, you know about, already you have discussed. Okay, in previous classes already you have learned. क्या? What? They have definite mass, volume and shape. You know about. Intermolecular distance are short. Intermolecular distance you know about ना, कि their particles are so closely packed. Okay. Intermolecular force are so strong. Their constituent particles, atom, molecule, है ना, that's क्या है, fixed position. They can only oscillate about their mean position. Only है ना, oscillate मतलब वो कहाँ मूव कर सकते हैं? They can move, है ना, only their mean position, जहाँ उनका mean position है ना, under the particle, constituent particles. Okay, वहीं पे वो क्या करते हैं? मूव करते हैं in a small amount. Okay. They are incompressible and rigid. और ये क्या होता है? Incompressible. They can't compressible, है ना, वो can't compressible नहीं हो सकते हैं. That means incompressible. मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं. They cannot move anywhere. Okay. We can't mold them. Okay. And they are rigid. Rigid, you know about na, solid, so hard, tougher. Understand? So these are the what, properties of the solid state. Understand? Now we'll discuss about the types of solid. Okay. Now we'll discuss about given here. So you know about na, mainly two types of solid here. Okay. You don't know about in previous classes, आप नहीं पढ़े होंगे, you will not study. Okay, now we will discuss about the two types of mainly solid, which is amorphous solid and crystalline. Amorphous and crystalline, two types. So let's we discuss about the one by one. What I mean by, है ना, amorphous and crystalline solid. So first we will discuss about the what is crystalline या amorphous on the basis of these are the only these two solids are mainly, है ना, basis on the basis of their order present in the arrangement of constituent particle. Which constituent particle present in their amorphous solid or crystalline solid. So these are mainly based on the, है ना, arrangement of particles. Okay, so है ना, solids are classified into two categories. So first we discuss of crystalline. The crystalline solid usually consists of a large number of what, a small crystal. Crystalline solid consists what, large number of a small crystal, a small, such as, है ना, a small crystal. So each of them having a definite characteristics, geometrical shape, or per each crystal. Okay, each crystal having a definite characteristics, geometrical shape. उसका एक geometrical क्या होते हैं? shape होते हैं. Definite, also we can say definite shape, size, volume. Okay, of each crystals. Understand? The arrangement of constituent particle, atom, science, molecule, about in crystal is ordered and repetitive in 3 dimensions. और ये क्या होते हैं? उनका एक रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट होते हैं. इन केस ऑफ द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड देयर हैव रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट, है ना. क्रिस्टल्स ऑफ द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स आर, है ना, इन ऑर्डर टू, है ना, crystals are or in order and repetitive in 3 dimensional. Understand? If you observe the pattern crystalline, predict the accurately in the position of particles. Understand? कि what is their, है ना, regular arrangement. Just like you know about na sodium chloride. Let's see. You know about na sodium chloride, NaCl. This is what, amorphous या crystalline. So this is crystalline because it's found in the crystal form. Okay, just like you know about now what is the in case of to crystalline form Na plus Cl minus, also present Na plus Cl minus. ठीक है, then Na plus Cl minus. So this is found in a regular arrangement. Their shape is in what? Arrangement in regular pattern or regular arrangement. Understand? Na plus Cl minus, then Na plus Cl minus. So there is arranged. So these are found in the crystal form. Definite shape and size of each crystal of the which crystalline solid. Okay. So in this way, the crystal has a long range order, which means that there is a regular pattern arrangement. Also, we can say that the regular pattern arrangement particle, which repeat itself periodically. After periodically entire crystal, the sodium chloride. Now we will हमें discuss किया था ना, sodium chloride, quartz. Okay, so these are the typical examples of crystalline solid. Understand? Let's see another glass, rubber. Let's say ना glass, rubber, and many plastic don't form the crystal. ये सभी क्या है? Only form the quartz and sodium chloride, they form the crystal form. But in case of the glass, okay, rubber and many plastic, they can form the solid form. They can also form the solid form, but they don't form the crystal. Okay, they don't form crystal. They also form in solid form, but they don't form crystal form, just like NaCl या quartz. Understand? Okay, तो when their solidity on cooling, जब क्या करते हैं, when what will do, when we solidify them, understand? तो क्या होता है, when they are liquid solidify on cooling, इनके लिक्विड को क्या करता है, solidify किया जाता है, only then it's occur in solid form, but they don't exist in the crystal form. Okay, so these are called the amorphous solids. Amorphous solid, you know about now, कि that solids, okay, a substance which don't form, okay, don't arrange in regular pattern or regular arrangement. They are no definite shape and size, okay, definite volume. Understand? Also we can say that what, they cannot exist in regular pattern or regular shape, size or definite pattern. Okay, also we can say that they don't form crystal form. Also we can say that they don't form the crystallization form. Okay, just like you know about now what, plastic, glass, rubber. Understand? So these are known as amorphous. तो द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स एटम आयंस इन सच सॉलिड हैज ओनली शॉर्ट रेंज ऑर्डर. और क्या होते हैं इन शॉर्ट है ना, शॉर्ट रेंज ऑर्डर, जस्ट लाइक यू नो अबाउट ना कि सच एन अरेंजमेंट ए रेगुलर एंड पीरियडिकली रिपीटिंग आफ्टर इज ऑब्जर्व एंड शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस ओनली. क्या होते हैं, ओनली ओवर ए शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस. रेगुलर पैटर्न आर स्कैटर्ड एंड बिटवीन द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डिसऑर्डर. ये क्या होते हैं इन द केस ऑफ अमोरफस. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन केस ऑफ अमोरफस कि रेगुलर पैटर्न्स आर स्कैटर्ड, वो स्कैटर्ड हो जाते हैं, बिखर जाते हैं. दे रेगुलर पैटर्न्स है ना, दे डोंट मेंशन इन ए फिक्स शेप, ओके, या फिक्स अरेंजमेंट, रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट. दे आर स्कैटर्ड मतलब बिखर जाते हैं वो. एंड बिटवीन द अरेंजमेंट इज डिसऑर्डर, और उनका अरेंजमेंट क्या होता है, डिसऑर्डर हो जाती है. ओके, एक्सपेंडिंग इन एनीवेयर, मूवमेंट इन एनीवेयर. जैसे द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्वार्ट्ज. क्वार्ट्ज क्या होता है, क्रिस्टलाइन, यू नो अबाउट ना, फॉर्म इन द क्रिस्टल फॉर्म, डिफिनिट शेप, साइज है ना, इन द क्या है, डिफिनिट अरेंजमेंट. एंड क्वार्ट्ज ग्लास अमोरफस. ओके, यू हैव टू सी हियर, see here the figure here. What you observe, what you observing there, these are the and this are you observe na, these are the kya, all molecules, okay, in this figure, in this form. What you have to observe कि in the all solid है ना, different all particles solid है ना, atoms and molecule are arranged in a definite shape or definite volume, a regular pattern. Also we can say that a regular pattern. You have to see na, regular pattern means क्या, they also form the hexagonal. You have seen na, all form the hexagonal and join and after then hexagonal. So these all है ना particles of the solids, okay, they form in the regular pattern, definite pattern also we can say that. Understand? So this is what, this is the case of what, crystalline. This is the crystalline solid. Also we can say this is the quartz. ये क्या है आपका, what is the, this is the quartz, यानी कि crystalline solid. But in case of this case, what you observe in this figure B. So in this figure what you have to observe, what you have to observe, their particles are क्या, so disorder है ना, periodically क्या, repetitive and short distance है ना, there is no regular pattern or regular arrangement. ठीक है ना. After that, that's whole arrangement, then after again breaking that है ना bond, then after this way. So also we can say that this is a what, not form in a crystal, don't found in a crystal form. Understand, this have a disorder there, regular, there is no regular arrangement, no definite pattern. Okay, their molecules are क्या scattered, you know what ना, their molecules or particles are क्या scattered है ना, moving here and there, after then here, फिर again this way. So their molecules are so scattered. Okay, there is no definite pattern or definite shape, so it is known as what, amorphous, means क्या, quartz glass. Understand? So these are the mainly, okay, two types of है ना solid, their structure are given below. This is the है ना crystalline and this is the amorphous. Understand? Okay, I hope you all are understand. Okay, we'll discuss next topic.